Hello everyone. So come sit with me as I do my DIY hair moisturizer, all from natural ingredients. This is my natural curls, wash and go natural curl pattern. Yes. So in tuned and in theme with this boycott that we're having for hair and skin products, I am going to be doing videos on natural DIY for our hair, and hopefully even after this boycott is over, we won't need to go back to all this commercial products with the paraffin and the stuff that's cancer causing. We will be true enough to ourselves where we make our own products, because they are easy, guys. Easy. I am going to show you. This is a mixture I have in my refrigerator, and I'm about to strain it off, and I'm going to show you because this is what I've been using in my hair. This contains filtered water, flaxseed, chia seed, fenugreek, rose petals, fresh aloe vera juice. I have avocado oil, coconut oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and glycerin as the preservative, because guys, this stuff is pure, no harmful preservative. The preservative that's going to be used in this is the vitamin E and the glycerin, vegetable glycerin. So here we go. Just watch me. I'm using a sieve and also a cotton straining bag, because I don't want any particles that's going to stick to my hair. So here I am. This is the New York backyard scene. So you will hear the city sounds, the city noise, along with my tranquil chime in the background. I hope you enjoy it. All right. This has been sitting in the refrigerator, so it's really thick. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go right into the bag instead. Let's do that. It might be just easier to squeeze the gel from the bag. Here we go. That's our homemade moisture hair lotion. There it is. And I'm not far from the airport, so you might hear planes going overhead. All a part of the New York sound. And I've had this soaking for a couple of days. With us boycotting hair care, big companies' hair care products, and going to our local black production, made from scratch products, This is also an alternative. It's not that hard. We can actually make our own if you don't choose to buy. But if you do choose to buy, please find a black product organic maker. Just letting you know that a lot of our products are also not made from scratch. They're just white labeling and packaging stuff from the big box companies. So you have to be aware of that also. Find the people that are actually doing the production, making these things in small batches. There is a young lady on YouTube. Her product is called Doxa. Oh, let this go over. This is the New York sound, baby. Airplanes going overhead. Yes, she's called Arlene, the dish detergent lady, on TikTok, and her products are Doxa, and she does make them handmade, small batch, made from scratch. She's not just packaging and white labeling like a lot of our what we think is, branding, black brands making their stuff. A lot of this stuff is not made from scratch. A lot of it is just bought from big box companies, repackaged and labeled up for us because we want to buy black products. So just be careful of that. All right, so this is what our hair moisturizer looks like, and I'm gonna go over my product, the list again, the ingredient list. This is made from filtered water, flaxseed powder, chia seeds, fenugreek seeds, rose petals from my garden, fresh aloe vera from my garden. I have avocado oil, coconut oil, argan oil that I personally took back from Africa when I went there, and vitamin E. That's going to be a part of the preservative function, and vegetable glycerin. So what I do, before this I was using Design Essentials. This thing is expensive. I'm just now using the Design Essentials bottle to store my natural moisturizer. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that. Don't just boycott for this September. Formulate your own products for use forever and ever after this. All right, and with that, I just want to show you my natural curls from this product that I made. Here we go. Yep, that's just a wash and go with my homemade product. And on that note, thanks for watching. Goodbye.